Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change video speed in iMovie on iPhone or Mac. In this case we'll be using the iPhone, but the same principles apply. We're going to open our iMovie and then we're going to start a new project. We're going to select movie, select the media, tap on create movie at the bottom, and then here we have our movie. However, we're not seeing much. This is because we've not selected the video. So though the video is in the timeline, we need to tap on the video, and at the bottom you can see some options. There are 5 icons at the bottom of your page. We're currently with the scissor icon, and this is for cutting or trimming. You could go ahead and tap on the next icon, which looks like a speedometer, and once you tap on it, this is the speed icon. On the left side of the speed icon, you can see a turtle, which is a slow animal, and on the right side, this looks like a rabbit, which is faster in comparison. So in order to speed our video up, you're going to take note of the duration of this video. Now, if we scroll to the end, you can see that this video is 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Now, once we tap on the video once again and make it faster, let's say the fastest, you can see that our video is now 1 minute and 43 seconds. This, of course, will change the speed of the speech in the video, so you'll need to take note of this. Of course, you could slow this down back to 1x, and it's going to go back to 3 minutes and 26 seconds. As you move the slider to the fastest, it's going to definitely reduce the timing of your video. So do take note of that. So this is how to change video speed in iMovie on iPhone or iMac.